guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and edit a drop-down on Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here on my menu, I don't have any drop-down, but if you want to add a drop-down, what you can do is you can head over to your dashboard in Shopify. Now head over to your navigation under the online store, and then from in here, you should be able to see your menus. Now head over and click on this main menu right here. And on our main menu, we should be able to see in here some menu items. So you can also add a new menu item if you want. Like for example, you want to add an About Us page, then you can actually add it from in here. So just head over and add anything that is essential for you. Just head over and then search for that specific thing in order to find it. Or you can also just search in here in the links. So for example, let's add products right here. Let's add all products. Then click on add, and as you can see, it will be added. And you can also add in here another menu item. For example, let's add in here blog and then news right here, and just click on add. Now in here, you can also add in here a general page. So let's name this general. You can also add some more, like for example, policies right here. Or you can also add some more pages that you don't have yet, for example, contact. Now in here, we have in here the home page. So on the home page, we just need to add a menu item. Now let's click on this dot right here, and then drag it under the home page, and then swipe to the right. And as you can see, it's been added. It will be recognized as a sub menu. So let's also add news under that, and then let's head over and then make them at the same length, just like this. So you can also add it like this one, and then add it just below that. Once you have done that, you can edit it out to however you want, but let's head over and save that progress. Now, once it's been saved, let's head over to our store, and then let's refresh it. And under the home page right here, when you hover over it, you should be able to see some drop down. Now, in some cases, if this still doesn't appear, that means it will take some time or some seconds as it's still rendering. So just continue refreshing your page until you can see this arrow down button. And once you click on the arrow down button, you should be able to see the drop downs. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.